Alright guys, we are at Homestead, our first stop here on the way to the Keys. We are going down for the 4th of July weekend, and we got the boat, we got the family, and we're gonna go ahead and do some fishing, go to some sandbars, and see what we could find out there. Super excited. We have Mahi over here. We just stopped here real quick at a bakery, had some breakfast, and we're gonna continue our way down. We're about an hour and a half away. We're gonna go ahead and stop at Robbie's. We usually always stop there, go feed the tarpon, check everything out, and then we'll start heading to our resort. So I'll get you guys there. See you.
Starting our Keys trip with some breakfast. Wait. Here's Mommy.
Abajo aquí.
Parecen pirañas.
Está grande, pa. Es que están, hoy están. Oh, that's a good one.
So the tide's really low. Hopefully we have enough ramp. But it seems like it ends like literally right there. Bueno, wow. Un poquito más para allá. Ya, ahí está bien. For comparison, our boat is a 17-foot boat. If you guys plan on coming here with a bigger boat, just keep in mind you will have to wait until high tide to be able to launch it or take it out, because we were literally up until the end of the ramp. It's a fishing day today. We woke our asses up early and we thought it was gonna be flat calm. It's a little bit windy, so we'll see how far out we can make it.
25, baby.
First spot, 90 feet of water. And we're right where all the sports fishers are.
Dale, papi. Dale. Oh, the video. ¿Se te fue?
Bueno, ese anzuelo está muy pequeño igual.
¿Sí?
Yo creo.
You can literally net it, babe.
No, el palo se va. ¿Lo cogiste?
I touched it. ¿Lo puedo coger? Uy. Ah, se fue. Oh, I'll grab it. No, we're not catching fish, but we're...
Saving the ocean. Oh, you didn't pescado?
Wait, you need to get me closer.
Hold on. Déjame no lo cojo con los videos.
Oh, I can't get it. Oh, the other one's loose.
There we go. 2 balloons. This stuff doesn't disappear. It just falls out here in the ocean.
Pop this one so we can throw it away. Oh. That's why they banned that shit in Florida.
Alright.
Look how nice this water looks.
¿Y aquí con qué se tira?
Vamos a tirar con carnal, vamos a picar.
We found a wreck here and we're gonna try to do some bottom fishing. And that over there is the lighthouse.
All right, fish on. What do you got, babe? Oh, look at that little yellowtail. Finally.
Little baby.
We went offshore this morning, didn't have any luck. Saved the ocean with some balloons, picking up some balloons, a bunch of stuff, but nothing. Now we're inshore doing some fishing. Ahí está. Oh, esta está buena, papi. Esta está mejor. Esta, no, cubera buena. Esta, no sé. There we go, fish on. Oh, that's a good one. Snapper. Oh, mangrove snapper. There we go.
I want it.
Want it? There it is. Mangrove.
These are not mangroves.
Yeah, these are mangroves. No, same one.
What you got, babes?
I don't know. Oh, look at that. Good yellowtail.
Oh, mira. That's a little nicer.
Ahí está.
Whoa. Whoa.
está mejor, ajá.
Papi, dame un trapo de eso ahí para poder
El
tapar
trapo está ahí para en este compartimento.
esto. Bueno. Sí.
Look what I just caught on a piece of mullet that's probably bigger than him. What is this, babe?
I think it's like a strawberry grouper, maybe. I don't know. Gotta look it up.
Look how cute this little guy. Look at those teeth.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, baby. Yellowtail, little yellowtail.
So we are done at this spot, pretty much done fishing for the day. It was literally just constantly in and out with the little yellowtails. No keepers, but we do have some regular mangrove snappers that are a keeper. Look at them babies. Just 3, but yesterday they caught more, so we'll clean those up.
Alrighty, let's run her home. Para estamos aquí en malo un día entero.
Our offshore mission failed, but we cleaned up a water bottle and balloons, so that's a win.
Alright, vamos.
And this little spot here was pretty fun.
Good.
Made it.
We made it back. You want to do these babies whole, right?
Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Oh shit. You guys got a little scale. That's it for this video. Make sure to watch our previous videos and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.